So, as most people are aware, one of our primary issues during the COVID-19 crisis was lack of PPE. Um, Aside from being a medical problem, the COVID-19 crisis represented a great manufacturing problem that um, was uh, that was shown that the amount of PPE that we manufactured was not enough for our healthcare professionals and first responders. So one of the things that came out of this with the maker movement was the ability to use small scale making stuff like 3D printers, vacuum formers, etc. to produce PPE. Now, traditional PPE is not actually easily produced using such stuff. It's made in a mass production environment, huge factories. So one of the things that looked at, the staff from the Florida Tech CO College of Engineering and Science design team, was how can we make such PPE, redesign it, and manufacture it for use in a local community and even on campus. So coordinated with Dr. Cavallo, we got input from a lot of local healthcare professionals and first responders, and we had managed to develop a set of PPE face shield that we could easily manufacture and distribute from our Florida Tech lab resources. We produced a PPE that was a face shield. The face shield actually we produced helps extend the use of critically short supplied masks like the N95 and medical grade surgical masks. This face shield consists of a two-part design with a headband and a visor. The headband you can see on the screen that we designed in-house. We're taking input from a lot of the users of the device. The visor was one of the really critical design portions of this. The visor is actually built using readily available binder covers that you can manufacture with just a simple 3-hole punch and attach it to the headband. And then the users can reuse both devices by sanitizing it using readily available isopropyl alcohol. And most of these features were developed with input back from the users. We used advanced CAD and engineering software to rapidly prototype multiple different iterations. So, for example, the top part of the visor that you see that covers the head was one of those things. The initial prototype we made did not have that, and we manufactured one in about 6 hours, sent it out, and got feedback. We redesigned it in another 6 hours, remade it, sent it out, and got even more feedback to keep working the final design. So this was one of the things we were able to accomplish. We actually manufactured and distributed upwards of 150 of these specific items. And along with that, we were also able to manufacture some other PPE that's not spotlighted, but like face mask extenders and glass shields to help out the local community. And that was our small contribution from the COS design and manufacturing team towards helping out our local HPs and first responders during this time.